Hello friends, welcome back to the Articulate Studio. Today, I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful secrets in learning English, the secret to listening and speaking better. There's an old proverb, a good listener is a good speaker. Think about it, when you listen carefully, you don't just hear words, you understand feelings, tone and style, and that makes your speaking powerful. So, let's take this journey together step by step.
Listen before you speak. Imagine you are in the class, the teacher asks a question. One student quickly answers without listening carefully, and the answer is wrong. Another student waits, listens, and thinks, and gives the correct answer. We can also include an idiom in this situation: don't jump the gun. I have an example for it. Always listen fully before replying. Don't jump the gun. Its meaning is don't rush before it is the time.
To think in English situation, when you hear the word apple, don't translate it into your language. Just imagine the fruit directly. Phrasal verb, work on it, meaning improve step by step. Example, if you don't know the word library, work on it, use it in a sentence daily until it feels natural.
Practice speaking slowly. Imagine a student, Sarah. A student always spoke very fast. People did not understand her. Her teacher said, "Slow and steady wins the race." She started speaking slowly. Guess what? Everyone began to understand and appreciate her.
Repeat what you hear. Real-life tip, watch your favorite English drama. Pause after one line. Repeat it the same way. This way, you pick up new phrases easily. Phrasal verb, pick up, meaning learn naturally. Example, children pick up language quickly because they repeat what they hear. Use simple sentences. A boy wanted to impress his friends by speaking very big sentences, but he made mistakes, and his friends laughed. Then he tried again using short and simple sentences. This time, everyone understood him. Idiom, don't bite off more than you can chew, meaning don't try something too difficult. Example, instead of saying I endeavor to commence my studies, simply say I start studying.
Ask questions politely. Communication is not only about speaking, it is about asking. If you don't understand, ask politely. Could you repeat that, please? If you have not understood the question, you can ask your teacher, please repeat that for me. We can also add a proverb in this situation. He who asks a question remains a fool for 5 minutes. He who does not ask questions remains a fool forever. Always ask. That's how you learn.
Practice in daily life. Real scenario, when you go shopping, try to speak small English sentences. How much is this? I like this shirt. Can I pay by card? Phrasal verb, carry on, meaning continue doing something. Example, even if you make mistakes, carry on speaking, don't stop. Friends, if you are learning something new today, please like this video. Your one like motivates me to create better and bigger lessons for you. A final message. So, my dear friends, here's the secret to listening and speaking better. Listen before you speak. Think in English. Speak slowly. Repeat what you hear. Use simple sentences. Ask politely. Practice in daily life. Remember these idioms, proverbs, and phrasal verbs we use today. They make your English natural and powerful. Don't jump the gun. Don't bite off more than you can chew. A good listener is a good speaker. Slow and steady wins the race. Phrasal verbs recap. Work on it, pick up, carry on. If you practice these daily, your English will grow step by step. This is the Articulate Studio, the place where English becomes easy, simple, and powerful. Here you don't just learn grammar, you learn real communication, idioms, proverbs, phrasal verbs, and daily conversations. So if you want to speak English confidently and fluently, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Together, we will take one simple step every day towards fluency. And remember, little by little, a little becomes a lot.